Okay. Safety off. Where the hell is he? Shit!
Go for it. No. Not that close to range.
Where the hell is he? Oh, he's over there. Bugger. Damn P90 piece of shit. Oh, Jamie down.
Face shot doesn't count.
Haha.
Got him in the arm.
Yeah.
Where'd you get hit? Arm.
That's it. He moved. Where is he? He's hiding behind that tree.
Yeah.
Wanna close him out? You go on that side, or you go on this side?
No. Pistol, really?
He's like a...
Is it?
His battery's dead.
Wait.
All our batteries are frickin' dead.
Never mind. Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
Record me trying to get him. Where'd he go? Is he still behind the tree?
I think so. Yeah, he's still behind that tree.
My movies are curving to the left.
That's the wind for you.
If I shoot to the right of the tree, I wonder if I can curve it around. Joe, your BBs are dropping at least 30 feet in front of me.
Yeah.
I don't even know where that one went.
Probably flew over there.
I saw that.
Yeah, it flew back to there.
Alright, I'm gonna call game. What? Yeah.
Yeah, boy, yeah. Okay, Jamie has his sniper and Joe has his Smith & Wesson pistol. They're trying to hit each other. Jay probably hit him about 5 times already.
Oh, I was supposed to stop shooting?
Yeah. Kind of worked.
Duck hunt!
Keep shooting!
I'm out.
Aw.